Hey, it's Rodney, this old man's workshop. Today I'm going to take the matting off of my welcome sign and show you how I do that. Just to let you know though that I use this quick dry sanding sealer. You can see that in that picture there. I spray it once I sanded it down, and then I sprayed this, sanded a little bit more but not much. Sprayed this, basically kept it from bleeding, and also kept half the plywood from soaking up all the paint, because you know how plywood will. Then after I let the sanding sealer dry, then I use this Rust-Oleum 2X. I use the satin one, satin finish on it. Sprayed 2 coats of that on it. And then what I'm going to do, the last thing once I get the matting off and get it cleaned up, I'm going to use this matted finish Krylon. I'm going to spray it on both sides of it so it'll be protected, and it'll look good. All right. Alright, this is what our welcome sign looks like. Alright, it looks pretty good. I don't really see anything wrong with it. This is what the backside looks like. It's got a little bit of paint overspray. I may sand that before I put the clear coat on it. But alright, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. And hit the like if you liked it. Hit the dislike if you didn't like it. Leave me a comment if you want to. But I want to thank you for watching. And I'll be back again with another video. Alright, see you later.